I want to know both about Beautiful English Learning System and about Beautiful English Learning Tools. Why Beautiful English, for example?
Oh, Teacher John, because English like that isn't beautiful, is it?
No, Nick. English like that isn't beautiful.
Now, look at this. The same grammar rules shown in Beautiful English by means of the Synergetic language matrix.
Wow, that's wonderful. Very clear, beautiful, understandable. What is the Synergetic language matrix, Nick?
Do you know what is synergy, Teacher John?
Yes, I do. Synergy is combining some elements together to get a better result.
Yes, the Beautiful English Learning System is built on the principles of synergy of rainbow colors and grammar elements. In the Beautiful English Learning System, each part of speech has its own color. As you see, a personal pronoun is dark green, an article is light blue, a noun dark blue, a verb red, and so on. Do you understand, Teacher John?
Oh, I see. Very interesting. Great. Beautiful. Now I understand why Beautiful English. And I also see that this learning system can make teachers' work much easier. Everything is shown so clearly, so beautiful and so understandable that a teacher doesn't need to explain anything. It's really incredible. Nick?
Yes, Teacher John. But that's not the most incredible thing about Beautiful English. The most incredible thing about Beautiful English is that it makes students think by themselves, make sentences by themselves and speak by themselves, getting automatic speaking skills in such a way